This video is how to change the air filter on a Equinox 2010 and up. This has got the 2.4 liter Ecotec motor. What we're gonna do, start, is remove, there's 4 T25 Torx head. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's where we'll start. Okay, with the bolts removed, you can kind of tilt back the air box and lift out the air cleaner. What I like to do is to put the date and the mileage on the side of the air cleaner when I replace it, so that I know how long it's been in there. In this case, this one's been in about 30,000 miles, 32,000 miles in 2 years. So I'm gonna put a new one in. If there's a lot of grit in your air box or leaves or something, vacuum those out, wipe it out, and then put your new air filter back in. Drops right in there. Line up the screws again, cover with the holes. Tighten her down and you're done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.